have had that burrito last night. I hear a sound.
It's me.
Bigfoot!
Yes?
To kill you.
Why?
Well, because you're worth a lot of money.
I am?
That's right. You're worth $1,000 for every nipple I collect from you. Can you stop that? That's making me uncomfortable.
I'm part cyborg. I'm enabling my jetpacks.
Oh no! I'm the secret Robo Bigfoot. Oh no! Are you trying to escape? You don't have enough fuel.
Okay, listen. Whoa. Oh, I am strapped in. Well, I guess I'm not escaping after all. Listen.
You aren't.
And maybe we could make some sort of deal. Because I am Italian.
Italian Robo Bigfoot. First I'm going...
That's Italian cyborg.
Italian cyborg Bigfoot, not a robot. Let me put you in chains first.
Run out of chains?
No,
This is tinfoil.
that's all I can afford. Why do you think I'm hunting Bigfoots for?
I can totally rip out of this.
That was completely unexpected.
I just told you I was going to do it.
That is true.
What you smell? Now, go away. Would you just make a deal with me? Because we're obviously not going anywhere. How about I pretend that you captured me and we split it 60-20?
That's a bright idea.
You'll donate the rest to charity.
I'll take 60, you take 20, and the other 20 will go to that sheep.
Told you, go away. Deal with you. I'm done with him.
And your sheep's annoying.
Listen, okay.
Zip.
Where did you get the lasers?
Have you ever heard of laser tape? It's the whole thing in Australia.
I know, but you just cut my hands off. See, it just dropped. Yeah, that's a little late for that.
They're fine. The finger's still fit. Just listen.
Okay. Great. Well, why don't you take those and leave me be? I'll just take my cut now. Not that cut. My money.
That's great. Just let me go to my mysterious crate behind me and totally innocently put these away with no ulterior motive, okay?
I just remembered though that I can redraw my hands from the sideboard.
I'll just take these. I'm going to open up my giant crate.
They grew more hands.
No,
What are you going to do with 4 Bigfoot hands? Nobody's going to believe you. They're going to think they're stage props. You're messing it all up. Yeah,
I'm trying to make a living here.
I know. I'm trying to help you.
I don't need your help. You're a Bigfoot. What is it?
That's code. Now, see, I've been in these woods a long time. I know what's going on here.
Do you?
We're being surrounded by penguins.
We're in really trouble now. I'll get my flamethrower out, and we'll take care of them all.
Okay.
We killed it slowly
Yeah, but you
and
burned
impotently as it could possibly die.
You burned the forest down. It's all on fire now.
Only you.
What? Was that Smokey the Bear?
Yes.
He said only you.
Wait, did you prevent forest fires?
No.
Treat me like you caused them. There's only one solution here. You're going to have to rebuild my home.
That's right. I shall do so right now. I have a special tree planting device here. It's really neat. Watch this to do it. I only have to do it.
Brought the 1930s magician.
That's right. Keep that tree.
Synaptic.
There.